tax calculator in Excel can be used for your tax planning for the current tax year 25-26, and it can also be used for calculating your tax return for the tax year just ended, 24-25. Using a tax calculator in Excel means that you can link in all of your data, things like property income, self-employed income, dividends, interest, and salary. A tax calculator in Excel will potentially last forever because income tax bands are frozen until 6th April 2028, and if you do need to update any of the tax data, all you have to do is just change what the bands are or what the tax rates are, and the spreadsheet will still work for you. An Excel tax calculator is completely transparent. You can see straight away what all the calculations are, so you know exactly how the tax numbers are being put together. The Excel spreadsheet also includes useful guideline information and links to the HMRC website where you can get more details on UK taxation. As part of your planning, you can model different tax scenarios, and also you can compare your tax data between different tax years. To purchase the file, go to the link in the description